Windows 12 is coming soon. The big question is, can your current PC run it? Today, I will show you the exact requirements and how to check if your laptop or desktop is ready for the upgrade. Microsoft is building Windows 12 to be the first AI-focused operating system. It is expected to arrive late 2026 or early 2027. It will be faster, smarter, and use more cloud technology than Windows 11. To see if you can run Windows 12, we need to look at three main areas. Number 1, RAM. While Windows 11 needed 4 GB, Windows 12 will likely demand at least 8 GB of RAM to handle its AI features. Number 2, storage. An SSD is no longer optional. If you are still using an old HDD, Windows 12 simply won't perform. Number 3, security. Just like before, TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot must be enabled in your BIOS. You can check this by typing security at a glance in your Windows search bar. One important update: Windows 12 might require an NPU, Neural Processing Unit, for its best AI features. Most new laptops have this, but older PCs do not. Also, check if your CPU is Intel 8th Gen or newer. If your PC runs Windows 11 perfectly, you are likely safe for Windows 12. Is your PC ready? Let me know your specs in the comments. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech updates. Thanks for watching.